यही 60 एमसीक्यू माध्यम आज आम हिस्ट्री डेवलपमेंट ऑफ लिटरेचर एंड साइंस एंसेंट इंडिया 60 एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन करबा। यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रही है, जाई डाउनलोड करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लो क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 जाए करबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है व्हिच इज कंसीडर्ड द अर्लीस्ट नोन एज लिटरेसी सोर्स ऑफ एंसेंट इंडिया। भारतर प्राचीन साहित्यर प्रथम स्रोत कौन? The right answer is option number A, Rigveda. Question number 2. Who is traditionally regarded as the author of Mahabharata? महाभारतर पारंपरिक रचयिता किए थे? The right answer is option number B, वेदव्यास। महाभारतर रचयिता होती वेदव्यास। Question number 3. The Ramayana is divided into how many cantos? The right answer is option number C, 7. Question number 4. Which of the following is a Buddhist text written in Pali? The right answer is option number A, Vinaya Pitaka. Question number 5. The Natya Shastra was written by whom? The right answer is option number A, Bharata. Question number 6. Which Upanishad is famous for the dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama? The right answer is option number C, question number 7. Who composed Meghadutta? The right answer is option number D, Kalidasa. Question number 8. The Sangama literature is mainly written in which language? The right answer is option number B, Tamil. Question number 9. Who is the author of Arthashastra? The right answer is option number B, Kautilya. Question number 10. Which among the following is the earliest Buddhist text in Sanskrit? The right answer is option number A, Buddha Charita. Question number 11. Which ancient Indian scholar wrote Ashtadhyayi? The right answer is option number B, Panini. Question number 12. Which Purana is called the fifth Veda? The right answer is option number C, Natya Shastra. Question number 13. Who was the good poet of Harsha and the author of Harsha Charita? The right answer is option number B, Banabhatta. Question number 14. Which Buddhist text deals with the monastic role? The right answer is option number A, Vinaya Pitaka. Question number 15. Which is considered the oldest Tamil grammar text? प्राचीनतम तमिल व्याकरण पुस्तक कौन? The right answer is option number B. Question number 16. Who wrote the historical chronicle Rajtarangini? Rajtarangini किए लिखिथिले? The right answer is option number A, Kalhan. Question number 17. Who is the author of Mudra Rakshasa? The right answer is option number A, Visakha Datta. Question number 18. The Jataka tales are related to which previous lives? The right answer is option number B, Buddha. Question number 19. Who is known as the Indian Aristotle for his work in policy and economic? The right answer is option number A, Kautilya. Question number 20. Which Jain text is regarded as the oldest part of the Jaina canon? The right answer is option number A, Acharang Sutra. Question number 21. Who wrote the epic Kumara Sambhavam? The right answer is option number A, Kalidasa. Question number 22. The Minitapana record the dialogue between King Milinda and whom? The right answer is option number B, Nagasena. Question number 23. Which text by Ashwaghosa is considered the first Sanskrit biography of Buddha? The right answer is option number A, Buddha Charita. Question number 24. Which famous poet is known for Tirthajunya? The right answer is option number A, Bharavi. Question number 25. Who wrote the Sanskrit drama Mirchakotika, the Little Clay Cat? The right answer is option number C, Sudroka. Question number 26. The Panchatantra was originally written in which language? The right answer is option number A, Sanskrit. Question number 27. Who wrote the play Shakuntala? The right answer is option number A, Kalidasa. Question number 28. The Angas are part of which religious literature? The right answer is option number C, Jaina. Question number 29. Who was the author of Dasakumara Charita? The right answer is option number A, Dandini. Question number 30. Which Buddhist text contain stories of Buddhist previous birth? The right answer is option number A, Jataka tales. तो एठू साइंस रो क्वेश्चन गुड़िक आसीबो एन एंशिएंट इंडिया 31 रु 60 नंबर क्वेश्चन मध्ये रहिबो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. Who is regarded as the father of Indian medicine? The right answer is option number A, Charaka. Question number 32. Which text is considered the earliest work on Ayurveda? The right answer is option number C, Atharva Veda. Question number 32. Question number 33. Which ancient India scholar is associated with surgery? The right answer is option number A, Sushruta. Charaka hoଉଛି medicine, Sushruta hoଉଛି surgery. Question number 34. The concept of Sila Tantra is founded in which text? The right answer is option number B, Sushruta Samhita. Question number 35. Who among the following is known for compiling the Charaka Samhita? The right answer is option number B, Charaka. Question number 36. The science of metals and alchemy in ancient India was known as पुरातन भारतर धातु ଓ ରାସାୟନ ବିଜ୍ଞାନକୁ କଣ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା? The right answer is option number A, ରସଶାସ୍ତ୍ର ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା. Question number 37. Who was the author of Aryabhata? The right answer is option number A, Aryabhata. Question number 38. Which India scientist explained the concept of zero? The right answer is option number B, Brahmagupta. Question number 39. Which of the following works is related to astronomy? The right answer is option number A. Pancha Siddhantaka. Question number 40. Who authored the astronomical test Brihat Samhita? The right answer is option number A. Varaha Mihira. Question number 41. In which field did Nagarjuna make scientific contribution? The right answer is option number A. Rasayana Vigyanare. Question number 42. Who among the following was a famous mathematician and astronomer of Gupta period? The right answer is option number A. Aryabhatta. Question number 43. The decimal system in mathematics was developed in India during which period? The right answer is option number A. Gupta period. Question number 44. Which scholar described eclipse scientifically in ancient India? The right answer is option number A. Aryabhatta. Question number 45. Who is created with the text Lilavati? The right answer is option number A. Bhaskara II. Question number 46. Who was the first Indian mathematician to use algebraic symbols? The right answer is option number A. Brahmagupta. Question number 47. Which science is Panini associated with? The right answer is option number A. Grammar. Question number 48. Which Indian mathematician explained the value of pi correctly up to 4 decimal places? The right answer is option number A. Aryabhatta. Question number 49. Which test is considered important in Rasa Shastra? The right answer is option number A. Rasa Rasatankara. Rasa Ratnakara. Question number 50. Which ancient test deal with the Ayurveda in detail? କେଉଁ ପୁରାତନ ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥରେ ଆୟୁର୍ବେଦ ବିସ୍ତୃତ ଭାବରେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣିତ ଅଛି? The right answer is option number A. ଚରକ ସଂହିତା. Question number 55, 51. Which Indian astronomer wrote Surya Siddhanta? The right answer is option number D. Question number 52. The concept of atom was first proposed by which Indian philosopher? The right answer is option number A. Konada. Question number 53. Who was the first to suggest that the earth rotated on its own axis? ପୃଥିବୀ ନିଜ ଅକ୍ଷରେ ଘୂର୍ଣ୍ଣନ କରେ ବୋଲି ପ୍ରଥମେ କିଏ କହିଥିଲେ? The right answer is option number A. Aryabhatta. Question number 54. Which Indian test explain surgical instrument and procedures? The right answer is option number A. Sushrita Samhita. Question number 55. Which Gupta king patronized Aryabhatta? The right answer is option number C. Chandragupta Ditya. Question number 56. Which Indian scholar wrote Brahmaputra Siddhantam? The right answer is option number A. Brahmagupta. Question number 57. Which Indian text is considered the foundation of yoga philosophy? The right answer is option number A. Yoga Sutra of Patanjali. Question number 58. Which branch of science in ancient India was called Jyotisha? The right answer is option number A. Question number 59. Which Indian mathematician discussed quadratic equation? The right answer is option number A. Brahmagupta. Question number 60. Which Indian physician is regarded as the father of plastic surgery? The right answer is option number A. Sushruta. तो वीडियो भल लगे वीडियो लाइक कर चैनल को ना चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर एमती सिलेबस वाइज वीडियो पाइबा